Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping both peripherals, charge them, and activate pairing mode. On your phone, open Settings and turn on Bluetooth. This lets devices discover each other. Once done, keep keyboard and mouse close to the phone within 3 feet to ensure stable signal during initial handshake. If either peripheral uses a USB receiver, get an OTG adapter ready. You're taking these steps because discovery and power are the two main reasons pairing fails early. You now perform the actual pairing. In Bluetooth settings, select the keyboard first, watch for a PIN, type it on the keyboard and press enter to confirm. Next, pair the mouse in the same list. Some mice pair automatically without PIN. If either peripheral uses a USB dongle, connect it via an OTG adapter to the phone and wait for the driver to load. Make sure to accept any permission prompts. This step links input streams, so both devices. You finish by testing both inputs. Open a text app to type and move the cursor across the screen to confirm responsiveness. If you see lag or disconnects, unpair and repair each device. Rebooting your phone often clears persistent issues. Make sure batteries are full, keep devices away from strong Wi-Fi routers or microwaves, and check for firmware updates for the peripherals. One key troubleshooting tip: swap to another phone to isolate whether the problem is the phone or the accessory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.